Hey everyone, welcome to BTS K-pop Base. Let's talk about recent LV event. On December 3rd, Seoul light up with star power because LV's Visionary Journey exhibition brought together some of the biggest names in global K-pop. And yes, we got the crossover moment everyone's been waiting for. Starting strong, Lisa arrives and instantly on the carpet, the walk immaculate and the face card never declines. The hair, the sheer flowing gown, the effortless confidence she glides like she's floating. And for the fashion lovers, yes, those gorgeous heels little for. Then Felix shows up and the timeline explodes. The outfit, oh my god. Clear's white suit, soft styling, and then subtle charisma he carries so well. And his always shows clean, simple, and sharp. And our Sunshine King J-Hope, a total stunner, runway model energy, relaxed being jacket, surfing mock face, and high fashion like it is second nature. And look at his LV shoes. This photocall lineup easily one of the strongest of the year. Inside the event, blended culture, gastronomy, and luxury details. Many A-list actors also joined, adding even more shine to the night. But then, the moment that broke the internet, all three ambassadors in the same frame. J-Hope of BTS, Lisa of Blackpink, and Felix from Stray Kids. Three idols from the current top three biggest K-pop groups in the world, together at the event. Their interaction melted everyone, and the thing got even better because instead of just posing, they played. J-Hope dancing, making Lisa laugh, Felix joining in with his sweet energy, all three of them sharing playful moves like old friends. No matter how much toxic fan culture try to pit idols against each other, the war almost never exists between the artists themselves. Online, some toxic fans were busy spreading unnecessary negativity, BTS versus Blackpink versus Stray Kids, dragging idols, comparing states, fighting over nothing. But here is the truth, while fans fight imaginary battles, the artists themselves are laughing, dancing, and supporting each other, all while glowing at the Global House biggest soul event of the year. This night was not just about fashion, it was about unity, star power, and three icons showing the world that K-pop is bigger, brighter, and more collaborative than any fandom war. J-Hope, Lisa, Felix, thank you for the moment of the year. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this beautiful moment, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more iconic K-pop updates. See you in next video.